Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you on how to fix a turtle bitch if it's not connecting. First is the hard reset the headset. Press and hold the connect and mode buttons at the same time and hold it for the 30 seconds full time. Now, when you see the red LED should turn off, the headset should power down. Now press the power button to turn it back on. If the red LED stays on, repeat the hard reset. 2 is to update the firmware via PC. You can download and install Turtle Bitch Audio Hub onto your PC and then plug the headset into the PC using the USB cable. You can launch the Audio Hub, it will check for the firmware updates and install any unavailable or any available updates to prevent the feature issues. Third is to hard reset your Xbox console. Hold the Xbox power button, not tap, until the console completely shuts down, and wait a few seconds and press the power button again. Now 4 is to repair the headset with Xbox. Power on the headset and the console and press the enroll button onto the Xbox until it blinks rapidly. And then press and hold the connect button onto your headset until it also blinks rapidly, and once both LEDs turn solid, they are successfully paired. Now, if charging was the issue, try a USB wall adapter instead of console USB port, and then phone chargers works well. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.